Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Willow. You don't know, and I'm back with another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creations YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my first Mother's Day greeting cards. I did a live video when I was making this card a few weeks ago. This is just a short version of it, and this will allow the person that did not get to watch the live video to see how I did it. So let's get right into this video. All you need to make this card is stock paper, designer paper, scissors, and the things you are going to use to decorate it. So I went ahead and designed and printed the body of the card, which you all can see, the message of the greeting card, and the Mother's Day logo. So first I fold the stock paper in half and crease it using my scissors. When I'm folding the paper, I ensure that both edges are lined up before creasing the stock paper. Guys, coming next Tuesday, I will be celebrating my 400 subscribers, so you all are welcome to join. I might give away some credit, so be there. Then I went for my measuring equipment to measure and cut the front portion of the card, decoration and the card message in half, which I'm demonstrating here. Again, I have to line it up properly before cutting so it can cut straight, because I like when my cards are neat. After that, I cut off the excess paper from the Mother's Day logo. Then I cut out the arts. These are what I placed around the edges of the card, which you all will see at the end of this video. What I did here was to measure and cut a piece of the designer paper. After that, I used a pencil to mark the edges of the stock paper where I wanted to place the designer paper. This way it can be nice and straight when I glue the designer paper onto the stock paper. Then I glue the designer paper. I have to be careful when gluing the designer paper onto the stock paper because I don't want to use too much glue. If I do, the designer paper will be messy and I don't want that. I have to be very light on the glue since the designer paper is thin. You can see, guys, that it is better to measure it with the pencil before placing it onto the stock paper. Nice and neat, just the way I like it. I have to measure a piece of diamonds first before placing the Mother's Day logo because I don't want it to be too close to the top edge. I want to be able to place the diamond well on the top edge of the card. After that, I glue the Mother's Day logo and place it at the top of the card. Then I measured and cut 2 pieces of diamonds and glue them on both edges of the card, left and right side. After that, I measured the pieces of diamonds and glued it on the bottom of the card so that it can be even. Then it's time to glue the top piece of diamond onto the card. I use the diamond to cover the edges of the designer paper because I don't want the edges to show. I normally use designer tape to cover the edges, but I ran out of the tape, so I have to use the diamonds, and none wasn't at the store, so I have to use the diamonds for the edges. Then I place a sticker bird on the card. At this point, guys, I didn't know where to place the bird. That's why you all see me all over the place, but I figured a way out super fast, and I placed the bird peak at the edge of the flower to show that he was eating the flower. Guys, look at that. I'm a genius, right? After that, I place a sticker flower onto the card and glue one of the hearts in the middle to make it stand out. There you go, guys, the front portion is finished and it's time to do the inside portion. The first thing I did in this section was to measure and cut the excess paper off the message of the card. Then I measured and cut a piece of designer paper. After that, I measured the edges of the stock paper by marking it using a pencil to ensure that I know where exactly to place the message and glued it onto the right side of the card. The last thing I did was to place the hearts onto the edges of the designer paper along with diamonds on the left side and onto the bottom of the card. So guys, this is the finished product. Looks so beautiful, right? We have come to the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to tell a friend about Wallace Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.